Hello, my friends. Look at this work of art. And I know some of you are thinking, oh, I could never do that. Trust me, my friends. All you need is wire and you have everything else. The ribbons, perfect. Dies, perfect. And the word autumn, guess what, my loves? It is now a slimline die available at the Stamps of Life. I have lots of samples to show you, but rest assured, autumn is going now. It is in the club of winter, summer, spring. Now it's autumn. So it's really fun. Lots of samples. Don't move. Now, we've also released, and you know what the funny thing is this one has been waiting to get on the schedule for so long, I feel bad. It's our little bunny and dog birthday set. And look at how cute. They're at a birthday. They're having fun. They just couldn't wait to come see you. Make a wish. Let's eat cake, celebrate, party. So much fun, right? Now, yes, of course, there's dies that match, right? Ding, ding, ding. Lots of samples. Stay tuned. Last but not least, some of the things that I get asked the most, actually I have two in this video, is word die fold-its. So we have autumn today, slimline, business size envelope, word fold-its, and 5x7s. 5x7s are very, very popular. So here we have a 5x7 tri background, meaning you can mix and match with other 5x7 tri backgrounds. And here we have the hearts, the word hello, and also fun little flowers at the bottom. So let's jump in and start looking at our samples, because I know you're going to be like, ooh, I need that one. Ooh, I need that one. Okay, here we go. Look at how cute this little birthday party is. Let's party. Isn't that fun? So this is on a mini slimline. Here these little guys are on an A2 size card. So remember, they can go on different sizes, right? Here's a cute one with the little window. You can open up the little window and you can see them. Isn't that adorable? I love that. That's our window to stamp die. That came out a while back, but a lot of you probably already have it. Here's one using our cute little grid die. Here's one using our A2 oval braided. Oh, are you kidding? This is adorable. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Postage to stamp. This one has, oh my goodness. Look at that little, this is our postage to stamp gift, but look how cute that is. Let's celebrate. Oh, or the little bunny. Look at the little bunnies holding the flowers. Seriously? Is that too cute or what? Or they're on a big cake saying happy birthday to you. Make a wish. Love it. Ooh, or on our fun this is our piece it die background. Love it. Now, let's look at our tri background for 5x7. So this is the die that you get. If you do it separately, where you want to just emboss it with your die cut machine, you can get this look. See that with the colors. Awesome. Here is another one just by changing the colors. Isn't that gorgeous? Here's another one just by changing the colors. So much fun. You just by changing the colors, you are completely changing the whole thing. Look at that. Now, don't forget, this is all of these pieces are also interchangeable with the other 5x7 tri background dies. Look at how cute that is. The designers got this one first, so they didn't have the other ones to interchange them, but you get to interchange them at home. Look at how much those little puffins. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Love them. Love them. Now, let's look at our autumn, because here is autumn. Here is summer, right? Here is spring on a slimline card, and here is winter. Now, let's look more at our autumn, because autumn is brand new. So those little leaves drop out. They are cute little letters. Look how fun that is. Here is autumn with our little, oh, look at our cute little guy there. Isn't he adorable? All bundled up, ready to go. Ooh, look at this. Autumn blessings. Isn't that beautiful? Don't you just love that? That is so pretty. Here's another. Ooh, it's time for cozy, warm and cozy. Look at that. I love it. The sun is from the Steffi Doll 5. And here is another banner. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at how fun that banner is. I absolutely love it. So don't forget the original one that I showed you, which I'm madly, deeply in love with. Autumn. This is going on my front door. I'm telling you, actually, we don't have, not the front door outside. We have a back door that's inside. Makes no sense at all, does it? But I'm going to put this on that door. Isn't it cute? I just love it. So my friends, if you're in the club, I know you know, but I'm talking to the other people. as a club member, you get 15 to 20% off our entire website. Every day, every time you order, every single item. It's because I love my club members. Now, if you're not in the club, you can be a club member for only $13.99 a month. And that includes a brand new stamp set. So for $13.99 a month, you get a stamp set sent to you in the mail, no extra postage or anything. $13.99, you get a stamp set in the mail, and that gives you 15% off every single day on our website. Every item. It's amazing. It's like the best deal in town, right? So go check it out. Also, if you're watching this on YouTube, please make sure you click that subscribe button and click the little bell for notifications. We go live every Thursday at 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern, and I make something. So go check it out. That's Stephanie's Crafting Corner, live Thursday, YouTube and Facebook, 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern. Check it out. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.